Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install MoneyGram on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for MoneyGram just like that. So once I go ahead and start or search for it, it's going to go ahead and pop up right over here. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the application right over here and simply click on this download icon. It's going to take a little while based on your internet speed. And once it is downloaded and installed, all you need to do is just tap on this open button. And there you go. You are going to be in MoneyGram. Now, from here, you can simply go ahead and install from here, you can simply go ahead and log in or sign up into MoneyGram. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see